Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a table in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Excel is a product of Microsoft. So in case you don't know where to get Excel, just launch your Microsoft store and locate Excel. And after doing that, follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install. Once that has been installed, you can now, of course, launch your Excel app like I've done right here. So I have this data here. I have the spreadsheet. Let's say I want to turn this spreadsheet into a table. I want to create a table out of it. So all I'll need to do is to select the data itself. That's the sheet. And head over to the top corner here where you have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help. So go ahead to Home, and in Home, go ahead and select the Format as Table option. Now click on Format as Table. Here you have a lot of table styles that have been prepared for you. So select any of the table style. This is medium, so I'm selecting that. So it says, where is this data for your table? So this is everything that has been selected, right? The entire data, A1, A2, everything down to the last has been selected. You can also check this as my table has headers for them to know that your table has headers. If you want to check it, uncheck it to ignore the headers. So go ahead and click on OK, and you see that this has been changed into a table. Now from this table, you can, of course, make different changes to your table, summarize your pivot table, remove duplicates, convert to range, and all of this. This is where we are. You can even change your table color. So I love blue. So that's it. My table has been created. So I've been able to change this document into a table. You can click on this resize table to resize your table into whatever size you want. Okay, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.